Last time
on the results-driven fitness
show.
The Dirty 30 episode. Pancakes, waffles, Apple Jacks, Cheerios, Pop-Tarts, maybe eggs. No rules, just right. Try to check off those 3 boxes: protein, fat, and vegetables. These are the exercise choices that I'm going to do. Welcome back, everybody. This is the Results-Driven Fitness Show. On this week's show, we're talking about salad. With the warm weather here, salads are in season. But how can we incorporate them into our busy lives? We're here to help. This is episode 31. Let's get started. Welcome back to the show, everybody. Traditionally, I haven't been much of a salad person, but with the weather changing, I found 2 salads that are really working for me. The cool thing that I realized is that both salads have very similar ingredients, but with a few slight changes, we can keep it interesting. Both salads start with an arugula and greens mixed. Mixed greens by themselves to me are pretty boring, so arugula adds a little bit of extra taste. And when I tell people we're eating arugula, you definitely get a little bit of extra street cred. After that, both salads include some kind of small tomato. I've been using cherry tomatoes or little orange tomatoes as well. And I want to add some red onion and some banana peppers for some bite and spice. And that is the base of these 2 salads. The 2 salads I've enjoyed recently take that base and then go in 2 different directions. So one of them is more of a Mediterranean salad. I include some olives, some feta cheese, and some cucumber with some red wine vinaigrette on top, and boom, we have one easy salad. The other one has more of a Latin twist. So it has black beans, some avocado, cilantro, and then tangerine. This salad also has its own dressing with a little bit of orange and lime juice, avocado, olive oil, cumin, cayenne, hot sauce, salt, and pepper. The dressing stores well for a few days in the fridge, and it doesn't spoil, so it's easy to add on and it adds that much extra flavor to the salad. Now, 2 things. My overall point here is to give you 2 super tasty salad recipes. The bigger point is to conserve your brain power. Having 2 salads that have the same base makes it easier to buy ingredients at the grocery store. You already know that you're gonna have mixed greens and arugula, red onion and tomato and banana peppers. Then from there, what else do you want? What proteins can go into it? For protein for me, my go-to is chicken. In particular, the roaster chicken that I can get from basically any grocery store. That is what I'll have for lunch. If I'm going to have it for breakfast, I'll use the same chicken, I'll cut back a little bit, and then I'll add 2 hard-boiled eggs. Consistently eating healthy with our busy lives comes down to having a few strategies we can mix up to keep us engaged in what we're eating, but doesn't put so much stress on us that we throw caution to the wind and go have a pizza. Because trust me, I've done that too. What vegetables do you like? What salads do you like? Can you buy the same things and prepare them in different ways each week to keep you interested and engaged? Mull that over in your brain the next time you're thinking about vegetables, and share some of your recipe ideas below. We'd love to hear what you are eating out there. Happy eating. Thanks for joining us for another episode of the Results Driven Fitness Show. Please make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, follow us on all the social media platforms we exist on. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your attention and your support. See you next week.